In this video, we'll be wiring up the distance sensor. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino, the distance sensor, the servo, 4 pin-to-socket jumper cables, 3 pin-to-pin jumper cables. Keep your wiring diagram handy while you work. Hold the sensor with the legs facing down. Connect the leftmost leg, labeled VCC, to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. Connect the left middle leg, labeled Trig, to pin 6 on the Arduino. Connect the right middle leg, labeled Echo, to pin 5 on the Arduino. Finally, connect the last leg, labeled GND for ground, to one of the 2 ground pins on the Arduino. Now you can wire up the servo. Connect the brown wire to the ground pin. Connect the red middle wire to the VIN pin. Connect the yellow wire to pin 9. Now connect the Arduino to the computer via the USB port. Double-click the Arduino sketch file to open it. Select the correct board and the correct port from the Tools menu. Then open the serial monitor to see the data from the sensor. Make sure the bitrate drop-down in the serial monitor is set to 115/200 baud. Click the check button in the top left corner of the editor window to verify your code. Then click the arrow button to upload it to the Arduino. Try to trip the sensor and see if it triggers the servo. You may need to adjust the threshold to get the effect you want. Once the threshold is set, you can unplug the USB cable and run the Arduino from a battery pack. If it doesn't work, unplug everything and rewire the circuit.